Well, today I'm going to be doing some baby back ribs in the slow cooker. I'm going to treat it like a barbecue. Do it rub style. Comes out pretty good. Very good, in fact. We've got carrots, potatoes, onions. We've got sweet and smoky rub, Singapore blend seasoning, a little bit of chicken bouillon for some flavoring for the vegetables. The meat won't be submerged in water, the vegetables will. Comes out great. I've cut up the onions, the potatoes. I've added the baby carrots. I've already applied the chicken bouillon. You don't really need it. The first time I did this, I didn't. The seasoning from the meat will drip down into the water and season it. You do add water until the vegetables are almost completely submerged. I usually wrap the baby back ribs around, but I got a thicker cut, so I'm probably going to have to cut these in half and just kind of pack them in there. I'll show you the finished product later, or the prepared product, I should say. So basically our next step is to treat this like it was going to go on the barbecue. In other words, rub the meat. We've got some olive oil, sweet and smoky rub, and some Singapore blend for this. So we'll lightly coat the ribs with the oil, then rub it down, and put it in the crock pot after we've prepared the crock pot with a little bit of water. Got the meat rubbed. Now we're going to throw it in the crock pot. Don't really need to season the vegetables like I did, but why not? Just for the fun of it. I don't know if you can tell from here. The water's been added to the point where the tops of the vegetables are just barely peeking above it. You might not be able to see it in this video. The purpose of that is we don't want to wash away the rub. The meat's going to sit right on top of the vegetables, which are almost submerged in the water, and in that way we'll cook it. The juices will drip down in there, like I said. Eventually, the water should rise above the vegetables too, but for the beginning portion of the little roast here, I want the meat out of the water. And you cook for about 4 to 5 hours on high, or you can extend it and start it out on low if you want. You cook it till the meat's falling off the bone and it's done. Meat's in there, ready to go, and I'll see you later with the finished results. Just shut it down. Still boiling. Nice. Looks like the bottom meat is now completely submerged. Looks like it's ready.